Going to build a corner for this door. Inside piece. There's Rusty. This corner. Those markers. Two lines scribed out. One at 3/4, one at 9/16. Match this line is 9/16. This bend is 3/4. Going to use my vise press brake to do the bending. This is after I bent it. I only bent it wrong once, had to hammer it down, and I went back over my marks with Sharpie. So I will hammer the edges and then start finish shaping it. Just got a hump right through there. Gonna clean the markings off. Start trimming it to shape and mark the little dugout. Okay, so marks where I need shape. Marks where I need to trim. So I'll replace it from here, here, I'll cut it here, through the dip, and then around right there. Everything's pretty solid, but that little corner, make it go away. Sandbag, shop bag, whatever. People call them different things. I know mine's got sand in it, and I'll get a ball peen and put the shape to it. First round of shaping. You always should mark the backside too, because when you hammer down on something, you gotta sometimes raise the edge back up to give it a line. All right, here we go. Did a couple little trims. Needs a little bit more over there to move it that way. About 3/16 of an inch. All right, I think I'll start trimming the door. Final fitment. We'll have to dolly this line so that it blends in, and also we'll have to dolly this line away so it blends in here. Kind of just fades off. So pretty close. Okay, we got the door trimmed. This is how it marks out, a little bit big. So I think I'll trim this piece down to this size and probably get the TIG welder over here and start welding. Need a bit of breeze kicked up. Summertime, got the doors open, so lack of gas got me in a couple spots. Got to dolly this and finish welding it up. All TIG welded in. I'll give it a polish and grind and start working on the outside. Okay, so you got it done. needs a little bit of plastic, maybe a good heavy coat of primer. This will be seam sealed, so when you put the new piece on there, just put a little seam sealer. And this is factory. So I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to build the outside. Maybe I'll include it on this video, or it'll be on the next or somewhere else. There's some pictures. So there you go. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit like, tell me I did it wrong. Heck, I don't care. Thanks.